A fresh leak detailing the specs of Samsung's Galaxy S24 series has surfaced, shedding light on the distribution of Snapdragon and Exynos chips. Contrary to previous rumors focusing solely on the Ultra model, it appears Samsung is prioritizing the S Plus model this year. Wigetta Gaming, a reliable tipster, shared a Galaxy S24 specs sheet on X, emphasizing key features. Notably, the Exynos 2400 chip will power the Galaxy S24 in every country except the US and Canada. Similar to previous years, a modified Snapdragon variant labeled with Galaxy is expected for the S24 lineup in these regions. Reports suggest that both the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC tailored for Galaxy, featuring overclocked CPU and GPU cores across all markets. It's interesting to note that all variants in the previous Galaxy S23 lineup worldwide launched with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. Furthermore, the Galaxy S24 series is set to feature AMOLED LTPO displays with variable refresh rates spanning from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. All models will debut with Android 14-based One UI 6.1 out of the box, promising support for a minimum of 4 years of Android updates. The standard Galaxy S24 might sport a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus panel, while the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra could flaunt 6.7-inch and 6.8-inch QHD Plus panels, respectively. The Ultra variant is rumored to house a 200-megapixel quad-camera setup, while the standard models may feature a 50-megapixel triple-camera unit. Samsung is purportedly equipping the base Galaxy S24 model with a 4,000 mAh battery, while the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra could boast 4,900 mAh and 5,000 mAh batteries, respectively. Despite price hikes in various segments, Samsung is aiming to maintain the pricing of its upcoming flagships. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.